Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to create Roblox Gamepass in just a few simple steps. First of all, open your browser and go to the Roblox website, then log into your account. Next, click on the Create option at the top menu. From here, click on Creations and under that, click on Places or Games depending on what you have created. Now, from the left sidebar, tap on Passes under Monetization section. After that, you will see an upload form. Here, upload any image you want to use as the Game Pass icon. Give it a name and a short description. Once that's done, click on Create Pass button. Once uploaded, your Game Pass is created, but you are not done yet. Click on the newly created Game Pass, then hit the Sales tab on the left. Turn on the option that says Item for Sales and set your preferred price in Robux. Finally, click Save and your Game Pass is ready for players to purchase and use in your game. Make sure your game has a script or product linked to use the Game Pass properly. And that's it. Now you know how to create Roblox Game Pass. If you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.